The smell of fresh bread, herbs and garlic. Nothing makes a kitchen feel more like home. This isn't just bread. It's a warm golden aromatic treat straight from the oven. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Get ready. The smell will fill your kitchen and make it impossible to resist. In a bowl, I mix water, yeast, sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. I cover it and leave it in a warm place for about 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to come alive. I love this moment. The yeast begins to smell warm and bready, and my kitchen slowly turns into a cozy little bakery. I sift the remaining flour into the bubbly starter. The flour falls like soft snow. I can already tell the dough will be light and fluffy. I add salt, olive oil, and start kneading the dough. It slowly turns smooth and stretchy, soft like a pillow. If you love the smell of homemade bread like I do, give it a like. This recipe never fails to impress. I brush the dough with olive oil, cover it and let it rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours. It will rise and turn airy like a cloud. This quiet moment always feels magical. Everything happens slowly and naturally. I line a baking tray with parchment paper and brush it with olive oil. I shape the dough into a rectangle to fit my baking sheet. It doesn't have to be perfect. Homemade bread has its own charm. I smooth the surface gently, like running my hand over a soft blanket. I cover the dough again and let it rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I chop fresh parsley and dill. The green always adds brightness and freshness. I peel and press the garlic. The aroma instantly fills the air. This is the moment when everything starts to come together. Pure flavor in the making. I mix the garlic with olive oil. It smells like a little Italian bakery. I grate the cheese. If you only have sliced cheese, just cut it into small cubes. It works perfectly. I slice the olives thinly. They'll give that salty Mediterranean touch. I score the dough into small squares like a checkerboard. That way every piece will be golden and perfectly seasoned. If you feel that fresh bread smell is a kind of magic, this moment will make your heart melt. I brush the scored dough with the garlic and herb oil. Then I sprinkle grated cheese on top. It will bake to a golden bubbling crust. Finally, I add the olives, little dark dots on top of the golden bread. I love this moment. Everything is ready and the oven is just waiting to work its magic. I bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes until golden and crisp. It's ready. The smell is incredible, the crust is crisp and the inside is soft and fluffy. Thank you for baking with me today. If you love homemade bread like this, give it a like and subscribe. It really keeps me going.